mean, this is my shirt.
This is hyoid wall. This is thyroid cartilage. This is cricoid cartilage. This is trachea. And now the short one, wider one, and short. This is right primary bronchus. This is left primary bronchus. The right bronchus divides into secondary bronchus. This is secondary. This is secondary. The secondary. This secondary bronchus gives tertiary bronchus here and tertiary bronchus here. The tertiary divides giving us bronchioles. These are bronchioles, the smaller ones. All the tips here are bronchioles. So you see how primary main or primary bronchus, that's left. It gives secondary bronchus. It gives tertiary bronchus. It gives bronchiole. Here on this model, on the back, that is cricoid cartilage. This is epiglottis. This edge here and here, that's the posterior edge of thyroid cartilage. But cricoid cartilage is a complete ring. So you can see cricoid cartilage in the back and in the front. That is cricoid cartilage in the front. Here it's covered by muscle and thyroid gland. That's thyroid gland. This is the lower end of the trachea. All of that is trachea. That's larynx. End of larynx, which is cricoid cartilage, is beginning of trachea. Airway passages, continuous airway passages until the air reaches alveoli of the lung. It doesn't change.
We have epiglottis and glottis, which is what's inside.
We have epiglottis is this one.
I think there's a model that's open.
I opened it.
Oh.
Why is shining?
The light. This is the light that you have on it. So bright.
Glottis is the back.
Still.
When you put your hand over the light, it's better.
There you go.
It's a light.
Oh, yeah.
This is, I want to point. Oh, I want to point here.
Maybe you can fit it up.
That's one.
Oh, okay.
Might be. This is a different color. You might want slightly.
This is epiglottis. This is the vocal fold. This is the vestibular fold. The lower one is called true vocal cord or vocal fold. The upper one, because from the entrance, the inlet of the larynx, all of that is called vestibule. This is a fold in the vestibule, so it's called the vestibular fold.
Of
Or-
the ear?
What?
Of the ear?
Of the larynx.
The larynx.
Oh!
Here.
That's
There's
larynx.
vestibule in the ear.
That is larynx.
Where's the glottis?
Okay.
Okay, the opening between the vocal folds, the true vocal cords, the opening is called the glottis.
So the little hole right there.
Oh, so that is the glottis, the
So
opening
how-
right there.
if I put the tape on the edge of the true vocal cord, call it glottis. It is the opening.
It's an opening.
But you should also call it vocal fold or true vocal cord.
That's a trick question.
Our paper says glottis.
I don't know why. Yeah, the textbook says the glottis is the opening itself. So when you move your finger over the true vocal cord, right and left, that is glottis. How can I point to it in the exam? That's my point.
So epiglottis is this part.
Is this part here and here?
Okay, like the outside going in. And that's the portion that folds over, right? To keep,
Yeah, because
like, food from
epiglottis,
going in
this,
there.
this is epiglottis and this is arytenoid cartilage. So when we swallow, epiglottis will move down, closing laryngeal inlet. So food will slide back to the esophagus because the esophagus is in the back of the larynx and trachea.
Where's the thyroid cord?
So the vocal cord is right underneath.
Thyroid cartilage. Here is thyroid cartilage here and here. and that's cricoid cartilage here and here, the lower
Okay,
one.
so the bigger
And this is
one is,
beginning of trachea.
the bigger one is thyroid cartilage.
Yes, but thyroid cartilage is U-shaped.
It doesn't go all the way.
What?
It doesn't go all the way.
These two are left halves.
Oh yeah, she gave you a different.
That's why they don't match. Now, when you put this together like that, come on. When you put this together like that, do you see this is the larynx? That's the back of the larynx. So that is epiglottis, and that is cricoid cartilage. This edge here and this edge here is thyroid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage is U-shaped, ending in the back. When you look at the front, now you can see thyroid cartilage and the cricoid cartilage below. This
Okay.
is thyroid cartilage.
So, like, the epiglottis is a part of the larynx, right?
One of the 9 cartilages of the larynx.
So, when it
Epiglottis,
points at something, it's not gonna be larynx, it's not gonna be blah, 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 blah. It's gonna be whatever that structure is.
yes, name of the cartilage. The larynx is made up of 9 cartilages. 3 paired, right and left, that's 6. And the 3 single. The 3 single are epiglottis, thyroid, cricoid. Epiglottis in the back, that's epiglottis, and thyroid and the cricoid.
So,
These are the 3 single.
you know how we have a word bank?
The what?
Word bank?
The word bank.
The word
Word back, yeah.
So larynx wouldn't be on the word bank.
Why not? Won't? If you are marking it, it will be in the word bank.
So it'll be confusing.
But that's
Why do you know? Why do you say it won't be?
Because there's 9 cartilages with it. So imagine you point at the top, right? So then I would be like, oh, epiglottis, but oh, it's larynx.
The question